Hello guys, welcome back for another question from the topic matrices, and let us see what do we have as our question. So we have to construct a 2 cross 2 matrix, and the general formula for finding the elements of the 2 cross 2 matrix is given by aij is equal to I plus j raised to the power 2 divided by 2. So let me draw the matrix for you first. So let us assume that this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is A11, A12, A21 and A22. So our A11 implies that I is equal to 1 and J is equal to 1. So putting the values in the formula, we get 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2. That makes it 4 upon 2. So this becomes 2. Similarly, A22 can be found out with as 2 plus 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 2. That makes it 8. So now I hope you have got the idea how to find the elements. Now let us move into the solution. Okay. So here they have found A11, A22. I already showed you how to find A11 and A22. Let us see how to find A12. A12 can be found as I is equal to 1 and J is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 2, which gives us 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5. Now I am leaving the remaining elements up to you to solve them and get the final answer. So our final answer looks something like this. Now moving to the next part, and let me erase this part for you first. Okay. So this time we have to again construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix, and the general element is given by aij is equal to I by j. So now I need not to show this example with the help of a matrix. Let us directly see what they have done. Yes. So A11 means I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So final answer is 1. Here I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2. So A22 is 1. For A12 I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. So answer is 1 by 2. And for A21 I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. So answer is A21 is equal to 2. So we get our final matrix, which looks like A11 is 1, A12 is half, sorry, A21 is 2 and A22 is 1. So now moving to the next part, our final answer is this matrix. You can see your results, see your answers, cross check your answers from here. Now moving to the next slide. So we have our last part of the question as we have to construct a 2 cross 2 matrix, and the general formula to find the elements of this matrix is Aij is equal to I plus 2j raised to the power 2 divided by 2. So I need not to show you this with the help of a matrix, as I already showed you in the first part. So I'll directly show you the solution. Now moving to the solution. Okay. So we have A11 as I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 raised to the power 2 upon 2. That makes it 9 by 2. Similarly, for A22, I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2. Putting the values in the formula, we get our answer as 18. For A21, I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. Solving the expressions, we get our final answer as 8. And for A12, we have I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. So finally, we have A12 as 25 by 2. So our final matrix looks something like this. A11 is 9 by 2. A12 is 25 by 2. A21 is 8 and A22 is 18. Now let us see the solution. Yeah, the solution is same. So now I hope you all got it. Thank you. Have a nice day.